install JDK software in our system. So first open your browser. So you need to go with oracle.com. So if you don't know the exact location, just type Google and type install JDK or download JDK. Let me go with download JDK. And you can see it is redirecting to oracle.com. So go to the oracle.com. So you can see the JDK versions. So the stable version right now is 70. So please try to install only 70. So go to 70th version and you can install anything in this. So let me go with the compressed archive. So if it is Windows, go to the Windows first, select the operating system, Windows, and go with the installer and download it. So once it is downloaded, so go to your download location. And double click on the installer. And just follow the instructions. Just click on the next. And you can see this is the location where your Java is going to be installed. So in C program files in Java, it is going to create a Java folder and that it is going to be installed. So you can see successfully installed and close it. So to check, verify whether Java is installed or not. So you can do through command prompt or you can also check the location. So go to your this PC, go to your C drive and go to your program files because already it has clicked on it. It is going to be saved in Java program files. So I can see a Java folder here and this is the JDK version installed. And to check whether it is really the path has been set or not. So as it is 17th version, the paths will be set by default. So let us go with checking of that. So open your command prompt. Just type Java C to check whether Java compiler has been set or not. You can see it has been set. When you just click on, when you go with Java command, yes, now we can execute Java programs in the system. Thank you.